Finland, and today I would like to show you how you can download and run your first Holochain app, your first distributed app. The app that we are going to do that with is Clutter, which is a distributed Twitter clone. Clutter is a gaggle of cats. And to make it a little bit exciting, let's see if we can actually do it in under 5 minutes. So here we have our timer and start it. So new window for, and then we are going to GitHub for Holochain. And as you can see, because we are recording, the system is a bit slow. If you do it, you will be a lot faster. So we click on GitHub for Holochain, and the main GitHub space for Holochain is opening up in the code tab. So we go to the releases, because there is, if you search for it, Clutter, the step-by-step description on how to install it. You download it, and let's go to the Finder and download. And here it is. You double click on it, and you get to the step-by-step description. Totally at the top is a short version for people that are more familiar with the whole process. They can use that. Let's take the longer version. So the first thing you do is download the whole release. Here, Holochain Alpha, the zip file. And I have done that before because of the slow download. And then what you do is you unzip, and that is creating then a subdirectory where all these files are posted of Holochain as well as the Clutter app. Then you start the terminal window, and in that terminal window you go into the subdirectory where we just worked on. CD downloads first, and then we do CD Holo, and with a tab you get then the whole subdirectory. Now we are in the same subdirectory. So we are now at step number 4, initialize Holochain. So this is the command. Let me just copy and paste it. And what you should do is that you change it to something different. I put it in because I have run it before. It will come back with an error, but I just wanted to have that as a step, and the same is with the next step, number 5. So to create Clutter itself as a directory, and Clutter, it comes back as an error because it already exists. That will not happen when you do it for the first time. So let's start Clutter itself over here, and let's take a look. 1 minute and 43. Let's see whether we can do that still. Then the next thing, you should open your browser into localhost 3141, control copy localhost 3140. The L is missing, is it? Localhost 3141, and that is where Clutter should show up as soon as it is working here. Yes, here it is. And hello world. And it has posted. So therefore, under 5 minutes, we were able to download Holochain as well as the Clutter app and get it started on our own little system. So try it out yourself and then improve it. Thank you very much for listening, and hope you are enjoying it and do your own stuff soon. Bye bye.